Okay, that's our first kind of chord things. That's a piano intro, but let's go ahead and learn these chords because we're going to use them later on the guitar too. So we have 8, 9, and 6 from the G string down. We're going to have 2 strums, and then we're going to switch to 8, 7, 6. Then our next chord is going to have 8, 9, and 7 to 8, 7, 7. And then we're back. Okay, so the intro is just this first chord here a few times, and then the singing starts, and when the singing starts in, then he's going to get into the changing chords, and they're going to go back and forth a few times. Then eventually we're going to hit to the next part. We're going to have a 1, or we're going to have a rake on this. We're calling this a G sharp minor, and we're going to kind of have a backwards rake on that one, on the second beat. So you'll have, it would be like a 1. After we have the G sharp minor with the rake on the second beat, we're going to go to a F sharp major chord. Then we're going to have a F augmented. So that's 8, 7, 6, 6 from the A string down there. So we're going to have 1, F sharp, F augmented, back to the G sharp minor. And then we're going to have, so that was B, 2, 4, 4, 4. B twice to the C sharp, 4 and 6s. Back to that G sharp minor, back to the F sharp. So we got 1, F augmented again, G sharp minor, and then we're gonna have this A sharp 7, dominant 7, so it's 6, 8, 6, 7, 6, 6. We're gonna have triplets on this, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Okay, so let's look at all that again. We've got our intro. We've got the next chord. 1, F sharp, F augmented, G sharp minor, B, C sharp, G sharp minor, F sharp, augmented, G sharp minor, and then the A sharp 7, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Now we're gonna have some answering chords like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can count it like a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're gonna switch to these 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it's 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1. And that's going to go like 4 sets, and then we're going to have this G sharp minor with the rake again, but this time it happens a little earlier. So it's like 3, 4, 1, and. So it goes a little quicker. It doesn't wait till the second beat. It kind of hits right on the and of the first beat there. So 1, and. We got the same chords following that. And then we'll have that A sharp 7, but we won't have those heavy triplets on that. Kind of like just 4 strums there. Then we're into the solo. Okay, and then there's another part that goes with that at the end, to make a little harmony on that thing. Okay, so let's look at the solo. We got 6 to 7 on the E string, and then we get in a series of kind of like pull off to hammer on. So we have 9, 8, 9 on the A string, and then same on the D, and then 8, 7, 8 on the G, and then 7, 6, 7 on the B, same thing on the E. So let's look at that again. We got 11, 10, 11, 2 14s, so it's and then I'm gonna slide that 14 to an 18, back to 14 to the 16 over here, so it's kind of pulls off at the end. Then we have a bend on the 16 on the E string. And then like a first finger bend on that 14. Kind of a pull off here on the second string, back to that 16. So we got. Then we have two 11s here, so it's going to go. So you got a little 9 and then 12, 11 on the second string. So. And then we have a series of little trills. So this is 15 and 16 on the second string, 13 and 14 on the first string, and then 18 and 19 on the first string. So, and the harmony for that is 11 and 12, second string, 10 and 11, first string, 13 and 14, first string. So the one goes, and the other one goes. The same time to make a nice harmony there. Okay, so let's look at the solo one more time. We got. And for your harmony. Okay, then we settle into a part. So we have, this is a D sharp minor, we're calling this. 2 slow strums on that. We got the A sharp, dominant 7. And then we have this chord up here. It's 11, 12, 10, and 9. Starting on the A string there. We're going to do that twice through here. Now this third time, we're going to have an ending to it. So that was 1, 2 on the A string, 1 on the A to 4 on the E, so it's, and that was 2 to 2, and then we go 2, 1, 4, 2, so 2, 1 on the A, nice and slow, 4, 2 on the E. So once again, that last time of those chords, we hold that one, and then dee dum dum dum, and then we're back into our. Now you could also, on this ending here, this outro type thing, you could just do these full chords like boom, 4 each, B. Either way you want to do that. Okay, because the piano's kind of doing it, so you could like just chunk these chords. I have seen a tab where it just had the guitar like doing those same chords over and over again, but you also have the option of doing those other chords the piano's doing. Okay, so Cold as Ice by Foreigner. Look for more Foreigner coming up soon. Got some tabs with this. Thanks a lot for watching. Talk to you soon.